Hi YouTube! I know that some of you are already back at school. My school is not opening until September, so I'm definitely a lucky one. Today I'm going to be sharing my last DT assignment, which is a 2-point perspective drawing. So let's start! This is my last DT assignment because I'm not choosing DT as one of my GCSE options. So a 2-point perspective drawing is basically something that you do if you want to become like a designer and need to learn how to draw in 3D. And if you want to read my assignment, you can slow down the PowerPoint and read all the things in the slides. I'm not interested in being a designer, so this is my first and last 2-point perspective drawing I'd ever be doing. You need a ruler, a sharp pencil, plain paper and colouring pencils. You should start by following the simple version, and if you follow this PowerPoint, it's very easy. Then you should finally start your 2-point perspective city drawing. First, you obviously need 2 points. If you're using A4 paper, make sure to make them in the middle of the paper and quite far apart from each other. Then, the line between the 2 points and a vertical line in the middle of the 2 points. Then you need to make a few points on the vertical line on the top and bottom so you can make a diamond shape. Then you should measure equally from the center vertical line and draw more vertical lines to draw your buildings. After you've finished all these vertical lines, you move on to the horizontal ones. But make sure the line starts from one of the 2 original points to the central vertical line. I would recommend starting with the middle building. You can design your own. I just copied the same one as the teacher did, just because I do not want to make mistakes and waste my time having to rub it out and do it all again. So after I got used to it, I started to draw my own buildings. I would recommend starting to colour them one building at a time so you can see the drawing in 3D easily. You can watch them slower or faster if you want to change the speed on this video. All in all, it took about 2 or 3 hours to complete all the 3 tasks. Thank you to my teacher for all my DT lessons, and sorry I'm not really good with all the tasks, but she's a great teacher who's really supportive, and she's great with our robotics team, and even with limited time and finance, she does an amazing job. I'm not sure if I'm going to miss the DT lessons, but I definitely want to use a 3D printer because I think it's really cool. So thank you for watching. If you're interested in our robotics team work, there is a playlist up here which shows all of the things we have done. Please like and comment and subscribe and ring the bell if you'd like to see the notifications for a new video, since you'd like our channel's content, hopefully. And until then, I will see you next time. Bye!